While we often associate pirates with the past, these audacious seafaring criminals continue to haunt shipping lanes, preying upon transport vessels and cargo ships to pillage, kidnap and plunder. The International Maritime Bureau reports that nearly $16 billion is lost each year to piracy-related activities, including theft, ransoms and transport delays. It's a staggering figure that highlights the ongoing threat posed by these modern-day pirates. However, the shipping industry is not one to be taken lightly. Commercial ships and freighters have developed ingenious defense tactics to combat these maritime criminals. And what's even more fascinating is that these tactics are mostly non-lethal, prioritizing the safety of crew and passengers. Let's start with one of the most common methods of deterring pirates. Water cannons. These powerful hoses, capable of spewing up to 1,350 gallons of seawater per minute, have become the frontline defense for many ships. Developed by a renowned firefighting company, these unified cannons can unleash water at an astonishing pressure of 175 psi. The force generated by these cannons is incredible. It can knock grown men off their feet and even blow boats off course. The nozzles, made of acid-proof marine-grade stainless steel, can be remotely controlled from the ship's bridge or set to function automatically. This ensures the safety of the crew as they don't have to remain exposed on deck while operating the cannons. The range and effectiveness of these water cannons are truly impressive. They provide ships with a significant advantage, allowing the crew to drive pirates away before they get dangerously close. But it's not just about spraying water. These cannons are strategic. The goal is to not only drench the pilots but also fill their boats with water, making them heavy and difficult to navigate. The sheer pressure of the hoses is often enough to distract the boat's pilot, forcing them to shield their eyes instead of focusing on the dastardly target. While water cannons have proven to be an effective deterrent, some maritime security experts believe that trapping pirates may be even more successful than simply deterring them. Enter the P-trap, a passive, non-lethal mechanism designed to keep pirates at bay. This innovative device consists of two sturdy booms on either side of the ship, dragging a series of robust lines behind them. When a pirate boat approaches, the lines become entangled in the propeller, stalling the engine and forcing the pirates to waste precious time disentangling their propeller from the mess. This delay can provide enough time for the ship's crew to call for assistance or take additional defensive measures. However, piracy is not the only danger that commercial vessels face at sea. Inclement weather and ill-fated decisions could put any ship, regardless of its size, in grave danger. When such situations arise, the most common solution is to abandon ship. The crew and passengers are evacuated using modern lifeboats that have evolved significantly from their historical counterparts. Self-riding boats. Modern lifeboats are no longer rudimentary vessels, but fully self-contained and motorized boats capable of transporting people away from danger and ensuring their safe passage to shore. The launching mechanism has also seen a transformation. Instead of the slow, gradual lowering into the water, many designs now involve launching from ramps. This swift and efficient process minimizes the risks associated with launching incidents, ensuring the safety of those on board the lifeboats. But what if there were boats that could right themselves even if they capsized? Imagine a vessel that could automatically flip itself upright, ensuring the survival of its occupants. This groundbreaking technology is becoming a reality. Rafnar Maritime, a visionary company based in Iceland, has introduced a line of self-riding boats. These unique designs rely on the power of buoyancy and state-of-the-art engineering to automatically right themselves even if fully overturned in the water. Tests are being conducted by flipping these boats to either side, and the resistance they exhibit is remarkable. Once turned 90 degrees, the boats begin to self-right, showcasing their incredible potential in critical maritime situations. While self-righting boats are still in the developmental stages and primarily applicable to smaller vessels, their potential for enhancing safety at sea is immense. The Royal National Lifeboat Institution, or RNLI, the largest charity dedicated to sea rescue in the United Kingdom, has been utilizing its Shannon-class lifeboat since 2013. Measuring 44 feet long and 14 feet wide, the Shannon-class is specifically designed to navigate the rough seas around the British Isles. Similar to the Rafnar design, the Shannon-class is a self-righting boat. In the event of a capsizing, it'll automatically turn itself over, pointing downward once again. This incredible feat is made possible by clever engineering and design choices. Heavy parts of the ship are placed deep in the hull, ensuring stability. The boat's sealed doors remain filled with air, always seeking to be the highest point. Additionally, the Shannon class features a pendulum system that closes air valves as the boat flips, preventing seawater from infiltrating critical systems. These advancements in life-saving technology are transforming the safety measures available to maritime operations. Robotics. Furthermore, the integration of robotics into maritime search and rescue operations has expanded in recent years. Unmanned surface vessels, or USVs, are being developed to autonomously navigate through obstacles and waves using water propulsion systems and AI control systems. These USVs, such as the Marine Guardian, can efficiently retrieve rescue targets and transport them safely back to shore. Equipped with sonar arrays and advanced detection systems, they enhance efficiency and accuracy in rescue operations. Another remarkable example is the M75 Autonomous Surveillance and Rescue Vehicle. This 15-foot-long marvel employs powerful detection systems to locate and retrieve injured individuals from boat crashes. Its selectable life raft has a capacity of up to 6 people, providing a safe haven until the crew of a disabled ship can evacuate. What sets these robotic rescue vessels apart is the absence of human personnel on board, eliminating the risk to rescue personnel while ensuring prompt and effective assistance. Maritime security companies. Due to the immense importance of shipping to the global economy, maritime security has become a multi-billion-dollar business. Specialized companies are now dedicated to providing comprehensive security solutions for commercial vessels. These companies employ highly trained professionals who are experts in counter-piracy tactics and offensive strategies. They work closely with shipping companies to assess risks, develop security plans, and implement protective measures. The dedicated men and women who form the maritime security teams are akin to the SWAT teams of the seas. Secure zones and transit corridors. To combat piracy effectively, international organizations and naval forces have established secure zones and transit corridors in high-risk areas. These designated zones allow for coordinated patrols and increased security presence, providing a safer passage for commercial ships. Naval forces from different countries collaborate to monitor these areas, deter pirate attacks, and respond swiftly when incidents occur. Surveillance and intelligence gathering. Advanced surveillance technologies, including radar systems, thermal imaging, and satellite monitoring, play a crucial role in detecting and tracking pirate activity. Maritime security agencies and navies employ these technologies to gather intelligence on pirate operations, identify potential threats, and take preemptive measures to safeguard shipping lanes. Regional anti-piracy initiatives. Several regions heavily affected by piracy have established regional anti-piracy initiatives to enhance security. For example, the Contact Group on Piracy off the coast of Somalia, or CGPCS, brings together nations, international organizations, and industry stakeholders to coordinate efforts in combating piracy in the Gulf of Aden and the Indian Ocean. Similar regional initiatives exist in the Gulf of Guinea, Southeast Asia, and other piracy-prone areas. Safe rooms and citadels. Many large ships have designated safe rooms or citadels where crew members can seek refuge in the event of a pirate attack. These rooms are fortified and equipped with communications devices, supplies, and provisions, allowing the crew to withstand an attack until help arrives. Safe rooms are typically equipped with emergency power sources such as generators or backup batteries to ensure continuous operation of vital systems, including lighting, communication devices, and ventilation. Ventilation systems help maintain a breathable environment within the room, especially during extended periods of confinement. Electric fencing and barbed wire. Some ships have electric fencing installed on their sides to create a physical barrier that pirates must overcome to board the vessel. Ships may have electric fencing installed on their sides, particularly in vulnerable areas such as the hull or upper decks. The fencing consists of conductive wires or strips that carry an electric current. When activated, the electric fencing creates a powerful deterrent by delivering an electric shock to anyone who comes into contact with it. The electric fencing can be activated and controlled by the ship's crew from a central command station. This allows them to selectively energize specific sections of the fencing when a threat is detected, directing the electrical current to the relevant areas. security training and best practices. Shipping companies invest in comprehensive security training programs for their crew members. These programs educate seafarers on piracy awareness, response protocols, and self-defense techniques. Additionally, industry associations and organizations promote best practices for maritime security, providing guidelines and recommendations to enhance vessel protection and crew safety. The fight against modern piracy is an ongoing battle, but the shipping industry is resilient and innovative. The evolving landscape of maritime security, with its multi-billion-dollar industry and cutting-edge technologies, holds the promise of a more secure and protected future. So keep your eyes on the horizon, for the tides of safety and security are sailing into the future. Thank you for joining us on this riveting exploration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed and up to date with our thrilling content. Until next time, fair winds and safe voyages.